Okay, so next we finished now with the pockets. We closed the side seams. We closed, overlocked, and turned the sleeve. So there's the only things left now on this jacket. We are halfway there now. Is the waistband, the collar, and then to attach the zip. So for the waistband, um, we're just going to cut the length of the pocket. I think the first thing that we must do is we must just find the center point here, the middle here of the back panel. Just align them up nicely here and just not stretching. And then we just find the middle there. Then when we line everything up and we cut the waistband, we are sort of happy. So just make sure everything is nicely aligned here. Make sure everything here is in the middle. So then what we're going to do is we're just going to measure quickly here and cut the waistband. So there is, normally I cut the length of the pocket and a little bit extra for seam allowance. So we're going to do about 2 centimeters for seam allowance. We make sure we're in the middle there. So there we've got seam allowance on both sides. So then we just cut the next one. Let me see if I've got this extra scraps here that I keep to make sure they're the same length for the other part of the front. And then what we do is, so we've got the 2 pieces for the front here that we're going to need. Then we need a longer piece, twice the size for the back. So for the back I use exactly the same. I just want to cut it here because it's on the selvage here. Okay, so there it is. So just twice the length, more or less. And then, so we've got the back panel here. We've got the 2 fronts. And now we're just going to do the ribbing. Remember, the jacket has got ribbing on the side here. So looks like this. And then there's on the side there is some ribbing there. So what we'll do is normally you cut the ribbing slightly shorter, just so that there's some stretch there. But what I do for these jackets is I don't cut them shorter, I just cut them the right length. So that little bit of when we assemble the waistband, that part that we cut with the overlocker ensures that we've got at least a little bit of stretch here. Let me make it a little bit shorter. And then what we'll do is we're going to do another one. So these 2 are exactly the same. So I can already see there, here's the roll of the knit. So that we use. So I can already see that with for a large, I'm going to use more or less, if this is a knit, because remember now the machine knits like this. So that's why it's a tube. So I can already see that with this knitting, for a large, I'm going to use approximately this much, approximately 12 centimeters of knit. So then I can, when we do the 40 jackets, then I can just buy for 40 jackets now. Do the final measurement. Okay, so this is now finished. What we're going to do is we're going to overlock the waistband in the next video, and then we will attach the waistband. Okay.